Hey everybody, this is Savannah Sanchez. Today I'm going to be giving you 5 quick tips on how to improve your TikTok and Snapchat ad creatives. My number 1 tip is to always have captions and design for sound off. So especially on Snapchat, not everyone is watching their videos with sound on. TikTok, there's a lot more people listening with sound on. However, it's really important that you always have captions so that the people who aren't listening with sound, perhaps they're at work or choosing not to watch the video with sound, still understand what your product is and what you are selling. So I always caption my videos, especially if you have someone talking about your product. You want to make sure that that's captioned, or just add some text on top that describes your product and have the call to action to shop now or whatever your CTA is. My second tip is to keep it native to the platform. So for TikTok in particular, you don't want it to look like an ad. You want it to look like another TikTok video. So the best way for that is sending your products to influencers, people who can make TikTok-esque content so that they're interacting with your product, but it doesn't look like an ad. The same goes for Snapchat. On Snapchat, UGC is extraordinarily popular. So I would say giving your product to influencers or other content creators to help you make Snapchat content is going to be a lot more effective than just showing like a lifestyle video or product on white, for instance. My third tip for effective TikTok and Snapchat ads is to design for 15 seconds or less. So on average, people are only watching less than 2 seconds of your video. So you need to capture attention within those first 2 seconds. And people don't typically watch the entire video either. They're going to decide within the first 10 seconds whether they want to purchase or not. So keep your video short and sweet, 15 seconds, with a compelling call to action to swipe up to learn more. My fourth tip is more related to what styles of videos work best on Snapchat and TikTok. So for all of the e-commerce accounts that I've managed on Snapchat and TikTok, I found that unboxing has worked the best as an ad format. So I would say if you are considering advertising on Snapchat and TikTok, make sure that you have unboxing videos. So what that means, it would be somebody who is receiving your product. Maybe the video starts where like the package is at their door. They're showing them unbox it. They're giving their first impressions. This is a really effective ad that I recommend all of my clients to have in their creative arsenal. So absolutely add unboxing videos to your TikTok and Snapchat ad library. My fifth tip for effective ads is always keep testing, and especially keep testing copy. So on the first few seconds of the video, like I mentioned before, you're always going to want to have captions. So you want to test different intro texts as well as different value props on your video. So for instance, let's just say you're showing that great unboxing video of someone receiving your product for the first time. Then maybe in the first 3 seconds, for one, you test having text come up that says free shipping, where another one says like the most beautiful gift for your friend. It's more of like a value prop driven text. So the first text that pops up on the screen can make a really big difference in your ad performance. So don't only test one text variation, because you can have a great video, but you might just have the wrong copy paired with it. So when you're launching your Snap and TikTok ads, make sure you're testing different headlines and different top texts in order to get the most effective results. Alrighty guys, I hope that my tips were helpful, and please let me know how your Snapchat and TikTok ads go. And if you want more tips, make sure to subscribe.